Hi friends, my name is Niharika and I'm here to give you a quick introduction about the YouTube channel that I'm going to start. So I've always been interested in vlogging because I do a lot of traveling, I cook good food, I do makeup, basically lots of interesting stuff including workout and fitness and nutrition. And I always wanted to vlog this stuff and start a YouTube channel of my own. However, I never dared to start one. But once I got married, I have a husband now and he's been supporting me a lot because he can capture my stuff and he's also there for everything. So I wanted to finally start my YouTube channel. So here I am. You are going to see a lot of interesting stuff for sure. And all I would need from you is your support. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please give your valuable feedback so that I can improve as well. And please be little kind to me because I'm doing it for the first time. So yeah, please, this is consider this as my request.